This is 25 for aquasport. If you're seeing this, go ahead, like, subscribe. Appreciate it. Let me hop inside, show you what's going on. So this is in the hull in the front, and we've got the repair coming through here a bit. I've got it ground outside, which I'll show you here in a minute, and I'm going to glass it, and then I'll come back in and shave this down with a grinder, chisel, and have you break it away. What's left that's shattered, and I'll put a size patch here to grind all this gel coat away. And this guy seems like a nice guy. I'll throw some gel coat on here too for him. If you're not a nice guy, you don't get no gel coat. So yesterday I chipped all the fiber away, and I cut away and then ground it, faired it. I'm gonna throw some glass filler here in all this low area so I can glass over it. I've got no air pockets. And then once I start grinding inside, that'll give me a good indication of where I'm at too. So it's kind of a dual purpose. I'll work this down with a little bit of acetone. A little bit of goop. And that should fill any gaps or air bubbles and gaps in the fiber underneath, so that I can lay some new fiber without any problems. So I'll let that sit for a while. I got another job to tend to right over here, so I'll let that sit and mess with this other thing for a little bit. If you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe. You'll get notifications of this and other jobs. Thanks a lot.